How to download Cursor on Windows. This is Matt, and in this video I will show you how to get Cursor on your PC. So I'm right here on this main download page for Cursor. First things first though, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click that link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. Now that link, depending on what kind of offer Cursor are offering at the time that you click that link, you'll get some form of bonus. And I'll come over actually to the pricing page right here. You will get to download the free hobby plan, and they give you it's not actually advertised here for some reason, but in their documentation they do say, and actually I had this free trial a while ago, they give you a 14-day free trial on the pro plan. So that's pretty cool. There's no credit card required to actually sign up. I'll go back to this download page. This is just cursor.com/download. And so to get it on Windows, you will come down here to where it says Windows. So you've got Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. You can get it on the x64, the system and the user version, or the ARM64. So depending on which kind of style, taste of Windows you have, you can download any of these. So you just click on these and it will download. So if you want it for the x64 system, as you can see, it floats up there and immediately downloads to your downloads location. You will then just open that execute file from there and install Cursor. So that's how you're going to get Cursor on Windows. Check out the free trial of Cursor, use my link, test drive the platform, see if it is the right tool for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like